And viewers, we have to move ahead because we are trying to understand what is happening in Jammu and Kashmir. Security forces have ramped up their efforts to flush out terrorists from a forested region of Anantnag district in Jammu and Kashmir. This escalation marks the third day of the anti-terror operations in the region following an encounter that has already claimed the lives of 2 Jawans and a civilian. So that is the big update we're tracking for you right now. Note that this also comes in the wake of multiple terror activities in the region. And another encounter that began last night in Basantgarh. So anti-terror operations are continuing, and we're coming to know that another civilian has succumbed to injuries in Srinagar. So we see a uptick of terror activity there in Jammu and Kashmir. Now this is day 3 of the Anantnag anti-terror operations, and those visuals coming in right now on your screens. Let's go straight across to my colleague who's joining us live. Let's go to Arawat, who's joining us live from Akhnur. Arawat has been tracking all the details coming in. Arawat, I'm coming across to you right now. Take us through what is happening. Now we see that multiple anti-terror operations are happening. One is in Anantnag, and one more encounter had begun last night in Basantgarh. Both of these encounters, both of these situations, what is the status currently, and what and who, in fact, which group is behind these terror activities?
Yeah, absolutely, Shivagi. We have seen in the South Kashmir's Kokarnag area the first encounter. Today is the third day of that operation. We have seen that the Lashkar group was encircled by the security agencies, in which 2 brave hearts of the Indian Army have lost their life while fighting the terrorists, and 1 civilian also succumbed to injuries in the crossfiring. And the massive coordinated search operation is still underway in the South Kashmir's Kokarnag area. Senior officials are also present on ground from last 3 days there. And after that, we have seen that another operation which took place in the Jammu region's Kashtawad, where we have seen the exchange of fire took place. After that, the massive search are being carried out, and according to sources, we had learned that the Jaish terrorists were involved in that exchange of fire, and search are being carried in the entire area. And last night, we have seen that there is another operation which is underway in the Udhampur's Basantgarh in the Jammu region. We have seen that the terrorists who fled last week from the encounter, they have been once again encircled by the security agencies. But we have seen that the massive coordinated search operation is still underway in the place of the Jammu and Kashmir. We have seen that the 3 mega anti-terror operations underway at this moment in the Jammu and Kashmir. If we'll talk about the South Kashmir and Kashtawad, and also in the Basantgarh area of Udhampur, we have seen that the forces are on alert, and we have seen that the intelligence input was received that the terrorists are planning to carry some attacks in the Jammu region as well as in the Kashmir region ahead of the 15th of August. We have seen that the forces are on high alert from the line of control areas to international borders, as well as in the cities and towns of the Jammu as well as in the Kashmir Valley. We have seen yesterday that the senior Jammu and Kashmir police officials were also present at the operation sites at all the 3 places where the ongoing operation is going on. Also, we have seen that the sniffer dogs also proceed into this operation in the South Kashmir's Kokarnag, and also drone surveillance are being done at the deep and dense forests. We have seen that all the 3 operations were halted for the light issue in the yesterday night, but these operations have once again started with the first light, and the massive combing operation is going on. It was a bit challenging and difficult for the forces to carry such operations in the deep, dense forests, but the security forces are taking all the precautionary measures and conducting all the 3 mega anti-terror operations in Jammu and Kashmir right now. Back to Shwanki.